Hello my friends, in this short video I'm just going to show you how to remove and install the wheel stud. This is very simple. Axle actually doesn't need to be removed from the vehicle, but we have it here on a bench in a vise. Just put your lug nut like so, go 3/4 of the threads, 7/16 like this. Just be careful not to damage the threads, and use the hammer and hammer it out like so. Okay, remove the nut. For example, you have a broken stud or you have a stripped threads, you need to replace the stud. Okay, we remove the stud, then you insert a new one like this, and you flip the nut, flat side of the nut facing the flange, start it like so, go down. Yeah, if you know how to do it, it shouldn't be hard. Then alright, you have a stud in, and make sure your stud is straight. Then run nut down to the flange and use the deep socket with the impact and drive the nut down. Okay, and then take a nut off, and this is how you remove and install wheel stud. Very simple, just a short video. Yep, if this one will be helpful to someone, that's our goal. Perfect. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like it, yep, feel free to subscribe. Okay, see you guys, thank you, bye bye. They're all installed. If you would like to support my small hobby YouTube channel for more useful tips and tricks and more, please go and watch more videos. Appreciate it lots, and see you soon again.